Hello sisters, welcome back to the channel. It's me Seni, and today's video is for all my sisters who have been struggling with see-through ends. And it's more prominent especially when you take out your long-term protective style. Your hair just seems to be in a worse shape than before you put the protective style in. If this is a problem you have been struggling with, today's video is for you. So now I've been protective styling for about a month. I'm taking out the accessories in my hair and I'm going to be showing you how I do my takedown process so that I do not struggle with see-through thin ends. First, we are going to be needing flaxseed gel. This gel is literally the best pre-poo hair mask you can have when you want to take down your protective style. As you can see, it has slip and it's also a good moisturizing product for your hair. So first off, before I take down the style, I'm just going to apply the flaxseed gel onto my hair strands. Then as I take down each cornrow, I make sure to saturate the hair with the flaxseed gel. This gel is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins that help smooth down your hair, makes your hair softer and shinier. The results are very prominent even after your first use. So after I take down a row of cornrow, I'm just going to gently finger detangle to remove the large chunks of shedded hair. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply the flaxseed gel on my hair strands. What the flaxseed gel does is that it smooths out your hair follicles. That way, you do not have a lot of friction when you are detangling your hair, thereby significantly reducing the amount of breakage you experience when you take out your long-term protective styles. As you can see, my hair is very tangled here, but I divide it into sections and I work the flaxseed into each section, the ends of my hair, the roots of my hair, finger detangle, then twist the section back into place. That's how you're supposed to go about it. Since I started this video, you've seen me not using any comb because I want to finger detangle first. But if you are using flaxseed gel, you can go right ahead and comb your hair easily after you put the gel into your hair strands. What a lot of you sisters do is after you take out your comb when your hair is looking like this, you go right ahead and use a comb, whether it's a rat tail comb, a white tooth comb, it still will cause breakage because your hair is not properly moisturized. That's why you need a flaxseed gel to moisturize your hair and make it slippery. That way, your shed hairs can come out easily. Here's how tangled and frizzy my cornrows look like. I'm just going to take the flaxseed gel, apply it on that section, take time, take out the cornrow, and you're going to be seeing in a few seconds how my hair is going to look. Now I'm going to be addressing a few questions I've seen a lot of sisters ask in relation to the use of flaxseed gel. 1. Does it cause your hair to itch when you apply it? No, you do not get any itches from using this gel. Number 2. Does it have a bad odor? No, it doesn't have a bad odor. It basically just smells like oats. Okay, and when you make the gel, you can keep it in your fridge for up to 2 weeks. It's going to be perfect for use. Now to the preparation process, you just need about 3 to 4 teaspoons of flaxseed. You add half a cup of water onto it. Then you simmer it under low heat on fire. You simmer it under low heat. After 5 to 7 minutes, your gel should be ready. You just strain it out. I'm going to be uploading a video on the preparation process. So if you're not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe so that when that video comes out, you'll be able to watch it. Basically have a visual representation of what to do when you're doing the gel. And can you see how my hair is looking? Moisturized, juicy. That is the benefits of flaxseed gel. And no, it's not only natural hair ladies that can use it. If you have permed hair, you can also use this cream. You can also use this gel. This gel is made of all natural ingredients that makes it safe for use on both relaxed and natural hair. Now, if you do not want to heat up your gel, maybe you are scared that some of the nutrients might be destroyed due to the heat, you can just soak the flax seeds overnight. The next morning, you just sieve the gel from the seeds and use it in your hair. It works fine as well. For the sisters who have other sisters or friends with natural hair or even permed hair that you realize that they are struggling with their hair care routine, please be sure to help them out by sharing this video with them. I know they'll learn a thing or two that will be helpful to them in their hair care, hair growth journey. One thing I also like to mention is there's a lot of detangling gels out there, store-bought detangling gels, but they are expensive. They are very expensive and they have a lot of artificial preservatives that might not be good for your natural hair. Flax seeds are the cheapest way to go if you want something that works and is all natural. Flax seeds are the way to go. You can literally order them on Jumia or Amazon depending on where you are. I got my flax seeds from the market, and as I said earlier, a little goes a long way and is very cheap too. You do not have to worry about spending a lot of money. You get value for the little money you spend. This is the last corn roll I'm working on, and it literally cuts your detangling time in half. I know making enough. I'm almost done with the product. In fact, I used everything the same day. And after I finished taking out my cornrows using the flaxseed gel in my hair, I do not wash it out on the same day. Some sisters wash it out after a few hours, but I like mine to stay in my hair so that the flaxseed can have time to penetrate my hair strands and do its miracle. So I do not wash it out. In fact, I leave it in my hair for about 2 to 3 days before I finally shampoo my hair. And this is the final result. This is my hair after 1 month of protective styling. My hair is looking nice, it's looking gorgeous, it's moisturized. I do not have to worry about detangling because it's already detangled. And this is the amount of shedding I got after 1 month of protective styling. And this is the empty bowl of flaxseed. It was full at the beginning. I used everything. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you have any more questions for me in relation to this routine, let me also know them in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. It's Miss Sunny, and on to the next video. I'm out.